Have you ever wondered how understanding universal laws can help you create a life of abundance and fulfillment? The 12 universal laws are powerful principles that guide our thoughts, actions, and experiences. By aligning with these laws, we can transform our lives and achieve our highest potential. We will explore these universal laws and discover how to harness their power for personal and spiritual growth. Let's begin on this journey to unlock the secrets of the universe and create a reality that reflects our true desires. Universal laws are fundamental principles that govern the workings of the universe. These laws are constant and apply to everyone, regardless of their beliefs or circumstances. They provide a framework for understanding how the universe operates and how we can align ourselves with its natural flow. By understanding and applying these laws, we can create harmony in our lives and achieve our goals with greater ease. The 12 universal laws encompass various aspects of life, from the interconnectedness of all things to the power of our thoughts and emotions. These laws remind us that we are co-creators of our reality, and that our inner state directly influences our external experiences. By aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with these laws, we can transform our lives and manifest our deepest desires. The Law of Divine Oneness is the foundation of all universal laws. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things and reminds us that we are all part of a greater whole. This law teaches us that every thought, action, and event is interconnected and affects the collective consciousness. Recognizing our connection to everything can foster compassion and unity. When we understand that our actions impact others, we become more mindful and compassionate in our interactions. By embracing the Law of Divine Oneness, we can cultivate a sense of unity and harmony in our lives. To cultivate awareness of interconnectedness in daily life, practice mindfulness and meditation. These practices help you become more present and aware of your connection to everything around you. Engage in acts of kindness and service to strengthen your sense of unity with others. Remember that by helping others, you are also helping yourself and contributing to the collective good. The law of vibration states that everything in the universe is made of energy vibrating at different frequencies. This includes our thoughts, emotions, and physical matter. The law of vibration teaches us that our vibrational frequency determines the experiences we attract into our lives. Our thoughts and emotions play a crucial role in shaping our vibrational frequency. Positive thoughts and emotions raise our vibration, attracting positive experiences and outcomes. Conversely, negative thoughts and emotions lower our vibration, attracting challenges and obstacles. To raise your vibration, practice positive affirmations and gratitude. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce empowering beliefs and help reprogram your subconscious mind. Gratitude shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your life, raising your vibration and attracting more positive experiences. Surround yourself with uplifting influences, such as positive people, inspiring content, and environments that support your well-being. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, and take care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. By maintaining a high vibrational frequency, you can attract experiences that align with your highest good. The Law of Correspondence is based on the principle that our outer world is a reflection of our inner world. This means that the state of our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions shapes the reality we experience. By transforming our inner state, we can create positive changes in our external circumstances. To apply the Law of Correspondence, focus on inner transformation. Begin by identifying and challenging limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Reflect on your thought patterns and question their validity. Replace negative beliefs with empowering ones that support your growth and potential. Cultivate positive thoughts and emotions by practicing self-reflection, positive thinking, and emotional healing. Use affirmations to reinforce positive beliefs and maintain a positive mindset. Engage in activities that nurture your emotional well-being, such as journaling, meditation, and spending time in nature. By aligning your inner world with your desired reality, you can create a life that reflects your true desires. Remember that your external circumstances are a mirror of your inner state, and by changing your thoughts and emotions, you can transform your life. The law of attraction is perhaps the most well-known of the universal laws. It is based on the principle that like attracts like. This means that we attract into our lives whatever we focus on, whether positive or negative. Our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions create a magnetic force that attracts similar energies and experiences. To harness the law of attraction, focus on what you want to attract into your life. Visualize your goals and desires with clarity and detail. Create a mental image of your desired outcome and immerse yourself in the emotions associated with achieving it. Visualization helps align your thoughts and emotions with your goals, making them more likely to manifest. Set clear intentions and goals for what you want to achieve. Write down your intentions and review them regularly. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your beliefs and keep your focus on your desired outcome. By maintaining a positive mindset and focusing on what you want, you can attract experiences that align with your goals and aspirations. The law of inspired action emphasizes the importance of taking action towards your goals. While the law of attraction focuses on aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desires, the law of inspired action reminds us that action is necessary to manifest our goals. Inspired action is different from forced action. It is action that feels aligned with your intuition and higher purpose. When you take inspired action, you feel a sense of flow and ease, as if the universe is guiding you towards your goals. To recognize and take inspired action, listen to your intuition and stay open to opportunities. Pay attention to signs and synchronicities that may guide you towards your goals. Trust that the universe is supporting you and take action when you feel a sense of clarity and alignment. Set aside time each day to connect with your inner guidance through meditation, journaling, or quiet reflection. By staying connected to your intuition, you can recognize inspired action and take steps towards your goals with confidence and ease. The law of perpetual transmutation of energy states that energy is constantly changing form. This means that we have the power to transform negative energy into positive outcomes. By harnessing this law, we can shift our energy and create positive changes in our lives. To transmute negative energy, practice mindfulness and focus on solutions rather than problems. When you encounter challenges, shift your focus to finding solutions and taking positive action. Use creative expression, such as art, writing, or music, to channel and transform negative emotions into positive energy. Surround yourself with positive influences and engage in activities that uplift and inspire you. Practice gratitude and affirmations to maintain a positive mindset. By transmuting negative energy into positive outcomes, you can create a reality that reflects your highest potential. The law of cause and effect, also known as the law of karma, states that every action has a reaction. This means that our actions have consequences, and we are responsible for the outcomes we create. By understanding this law, we can take intentional actions that lead to positive effects. To apply the law of cause and effect, take responsibility for your actions and their impact. Reflect on your choices and consider the potential consequences. Make mindful decisions that align with your values and goals. Create positive outcomes by taking intentional actions that contribute to your well-being and the well-being of others. Practice kindness, generosity, and compassion in your interactions. By creating positive causes, you can attract positive effects and transform your life. The law of compensation states that we receive what we give. This means that our efforts and contributions are rewarded, and we reap what we sow. By practicing generosity and service, we can attract abundance and fulfillment into our lives. To apply the law of compensation, practice generosity and service in your daily life. Look for opportunities to help others and contribute to your community. Volunteer your time, share your resources, and offer support to those in need. Remember that the universe rewards acts of kindness and service. By giving freely and generously, you create a flow of abundance and attract positive experiences into your life. Trust that your efforts will be rewarded and that you will receive what you give. The law of relativity suggests that everything is relative and perspective is key. This means that our experiences are influenced by how we perceive them. By changing our perspective, we can alter our experience of challenges and opportunities. To apply the law of relativity, practice shifting your perspective. When faced with challenges, reframe them as opportunities for growth and learning. Compare your progress to your personal goals rather than others, and celebrate your achievements. Find strength in challenges by focusing on the lessons they offer. Recognize that every experience is an opportunity for growth, and that you have the power to choose your perspective. By changing your perspective, you can transform your experiences and create a reality that reflects your highest potential. The law of polarity states that everything has its opposite. This means that duality exists in all things, and opposites are necessary for balance and harmony. By understanding this law, we can appreciate contrasting experiences and find balance in our lives. To apply the law of polarity, embrace duality and find lessons in contrast. Recognize that challenges and setbacks are opportunities for growth, and that joy and sorrow are both part of the human experience. Use opposing forces to create harmony and balance in your life. Practice acceptance and gratitude for all experiences, recognizing that they contribute to your growth and development. By embracing duality and finding balance, you can create a life of harmony and fulfillment. The law of rhythm emphasizes the natural cycles and rhythms in life. This means that everything has its ebb and flow, and recognizing these rhythms can create a sense of harmony and flow. By aligning with the natural rhythms of life, we can navigate challenges with greater ease. To apply the law of rhythm, observe and respect the natural cycles in your life. Pay attention to the changing seasons, your personal energy cycles, and the rhythms of your environment. Align your actions with these rhythms to create a sense of balance and flow. Practice patience and trust in the natural flow of life. Recognize that challenges and setbacks are temporary, and that positive experiences will follow. By aligning with life's cycles, you can create a sense of harmony and navigate challenges with greater ease. The law of gender states that both masculine and feminine energies exist in everything. This means that balance between these energies is essential for wholeness and creativity. By understanding this law, we can cultivate balance and harmony within ourselves. And to apply the law of gender, embrace and balance masculine and feminine energies within yourself. Masculine energy is characterized by action, logic, and strength, while feminine energy is characterized by intuition, creativity, and nurturing. Both energies are necessary for balance and wholeness. Cultivate balance by embracing both energies in your actions and decisions. Allow yourself to be both creative and logical, nurturing and strong. By balancing these energies, you can create a life of harmony and fulfillment. We have explored the 12 universal laws and their transformative power. These laws include the law of divine oneness, the law of vibration, the law of correspondence, the law of attraction, the law of inspired action, the law of perpetual transmutation of energy, the law of cause and effect, the law of compensation, the law of relativity, the law of polarity, the law of rhythm, and the law of gender. By understanding and aligning with these laws, we can create a life of abundance, fulfillment, and personal growth. Remember that transformation is a continuous process and that you have the power to create your desired reality. These universal laws, with an open heart and mind, and trust that they will guide you towards your highest potential. Encourage yourself to start implementing the practices discussed and observe the changes in your life. Share your experiences and insights with others and continue to explore the depths of your spiritual journey. Affirmation: I align with the universal laws to transform my life and create a reality that reflects my highest potential.